Imagine having a luxury home, a comfortable bedroom, a modern kitchen, and a powerful touring vehicle, all in one. Meet the 2027 KNAUS Van Ti Plus, a premium motorhome designed for travelers who want freedom without giving up comfort. With its futuristic styling, spacious interior, smart technology, and Volkswagen Crafter-based platform, the Van Ti Plus brings together the feeling of a luxury apartment and the freedom of the open road. And today, we're taking a closer look at what makes this motorhome so special. Exterior design. Starting from the outside, the KNAUS Van Ti Plus has a strong and modern road presence. For this futuristic 2027 concept, imagine the motorhome finished in a stunning shiny green metallic color, giving it an exclusive and eye-catching appearance. The front design combines a large windshield, modern LED-style lighting, a bold grille, aerodynamic details, and the unmistakable KNAUS identity. But the Van Ti Plus isn't just about appearance. The current Van Ti Plus is built on a Volkswagen Crafter chassis, combining the maneuverability of a relatively compact motorhome with the driving characteristics of the Crafter. KNAUS also offers numerous driver assistance systems, while all-wheel drive is available as an option. That means this isn't simply a vehicle for staying at a campsite. It's designed to be a genuine long-distance travel companion. One of the most impressive things about the Van Ti Plus is how efficiently KNAUS uses its space. The current model is available in two main layouts, 650 meg and 700 LF. The 650 meg measures around 6.89 meters in length, while the 700 LF stretches to approximately 7.47 meters. Both versions are around 2.20 meters wide and 2.90 meters high, with an interior width of about 2.05 meters. The 650 meg focuses on a practical two-person touring experience, while the 700 LF can accommodate up to 4 sleeping places. So whether you're traveling as a couple or planning longer family adventures, there is a layout designed around your needs. Interior. Now let's step inside. This is where the Van Ti Plus really starts to feel like a home on wheels. The interior is designed around comfort, visibility, and intelligent use of space. KNAUS highlights optimized lines of sight, a comfortable bathroom with a swivel washbasin wall, dimmable ambient lighting, and a connected onboard electrical system. The KNAUS Smart C system can bring important onboard functions together, allowing you to control features more conveniently from one central system. The living area provides a comfortable place to relax after a long drive. The kitchen is designed for practical everyday use, while the sleeping area provides a dedicated space to recharge after a day of traveling. And the bathroom is another important part of the design. Instead of feeling like a small afterthought, KNAUS has focused on making the bathroom practical and comfortable. That's what makes this motorhome different. It's not simply a vehicle with beds inside. It's designed to give you the feeling of having your own private living space wherever you travel. Performance and practicality. Underneath the motorhome, the current Van Ti Plus uses a Volkswagen-based platform. The listed specifications for the current versions include a 2.0-liter diesel engine producing 140 horsepower, with a 6-speed manual transmission in the standard configuration. The technically permissible total weight is 3,500 kilograms. The 650 meg has a listed length of 6.89 meters, while the 700 LF reaches 7.47 meters. The current specifications also list a maximum brake trailer load of up to 2,400 kilograms, subject to the applicable configuration and regulations. For a motorhome of this size, the combination of maneuverability, practicality, and driving technology makes the Van Ti Plus an interesting choice for serious travelers. And with optional all-wheel drive, it can be even more versatile for certain travel conditions. So, is the 2027 KNAUS Van Ti Plus the ultimate luxury motorhome? If you're looking for a vehicle that combines modern design, comfortable living space, practical technology, and the freedom to travel, it certainly deserves your attention. The biggest attraction is the balance. It's large enough to provide real living comfort, but still designed around a relatively manageable motorhome format. You get a proper sleeping area, kitchen, bathroom, living space, smart onboard technology, and a Volkswagen Crafter-based driving platform, all in one package. And with the futuristic shiny green design we've imagined for this 2027 presentation, the Van Ti Plus looks even more exclusive. Of course, final 2027 specifications, equipment, pricing, and availability can vary by market and configuration, so buyers should check the latest information from KNAUS before making a decision. But one thing is clear: The KNAUS Van Ti Plus represents the idea of traveling without limits. Your hotel room comes with you. Your kitchen comes with you. Your bedroom comes with you. And your next adventure starts the moment you turn the key. If you enjoyed this look at the 2027 KNAUS Van Ti Plus, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more futuristic cars, motorhomes, vans, and upcoming vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.